The operationalization of the airport was undertaken in a record time while ensuring the requisite safety and operational parameters in focus for smooth transitioning to the operation for which it is intended. I am pleased to announce that all the parameters, alhamdulillah, were satisfactorily met in accordance with the laid down procedures. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would walk you through the important aspects of the project, which was inaugurated by the Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan and China on 14th of October 2024. The project was funded by our friends Chinese, which is a testament to the brotherly relations of Pakistan and China. Ladies and gentlemen, I would request you to have a round of applause for our Chinese friends. Shishie. The new Gwadar International Airport is a modern greenfield airport designed to transform Gwadar into a global trade and connectivity hub. The NGIP is a contemporary airport equipped with world-class facilities for passengers, cargo, and businesses. It is a strategic component of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor and will link Gwadar to the Middle East, Central Asia, China, and beyond, inshallah. It is set to boost the regional connectivity, and it is poised to strengthen Gwadar's role as a strategic trade and logistics hub, positioned to facilitate economic growth in Pakistan. The NGIP is located on a historical air routes near Gulf of Oman, such as the London-Karachi corridor, with nearly 260 daily overflights in the Gwadar region. Ladies and gentlemen, over 50 airlines transit near NGIP daily, presenting immense opportunities to the airlines for cargo, operations, refueling, and technical stops in the future. The land area is largest as far as the airport area-wise is concerned, which spans over 4,300 acres. The runway is 12,000 feet into 250 feet wide, capable of handling Airbus A380. The terminal building is 14,000 square meters with a handling capacity of 400,000 passengers, expandable to 1.6 million in the future. There are 5 parking bays with 2 boarding bridges, adaptable for domestic and international operations. Ladies and gentlemen, the ATC Tower provides state-of-the-art communication and navigation services to domestic and international aircraft for the safe and efficient management of day and night air operations of the airlines. The terminal building, as you can all see, is passenger-centric design with the ample of check-in counters and over 300 passenger capacity, both in the international as well as in the domestic sites. It is an expandable design which allows for modular expansion to handle expanding traffic and operation without affecting the current operations. The new Gwadar International Airport offers vast land allocations for development, including 145 acres for cargo villages, 157 acres for future commercial projects. Dedicated plots are available for hotels, warehouses, MRO facilities, providing unparalleled opportunities for investors to establish their operation in a rapidly growing economic hub. The new Gwadar International Airport, ladies and gentlemen, is categorized as a Category D airport, offering the lowest rates for commercial and operational spaces among airports in Pakistan. As compared to the contemporary category airport like Jinnah International, NGIP rates for covered spaces inside the terminal are exceptionally lower. Additionally, the NGIP provides no landing or parking fees and offers rebates on navigation charges, further enhancing the appeal for businesses and airlines looking to operate in a modern, world-class facility. NGIP is positioned to establish dynamic connections with key global and regional destinations, leveraging its strategic location